Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make potato cutlets and also along with the flatbread or naan bread. So let's start. I have taken 3 boiled and mashed potatoes, medium sized, and I have added 1.5 teaspoon of salt and red chili powder and other spices. For the vegetable, I'm using onion, cabbage and green chili. And for the batter, I'm using plain white flour mixed with water. And I have also added chaat masala and other spices to the batter as well. Along with the basic spices, I'm also going to use ground cumin seeds and ground coriander seeds in the batter and in this mixture as well. So I'm going to mix everything. People use many vegetables, but I am just using this one at this time. Otherwise, at other times I use other things as well. So it's my first time with the cabbage. I have mixed everything, and really it's a great recipe. You must try it. For the batter, the consistency I'm going to keep same as the egg consistency, not very flowy and not very thick. It should be just a normal consistency, so that I can coat the cutlets into it before I fry them. So let's make the cutlets. With the 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes, I have made 10 cutlets. These are 7 on the plate, and now I'm going to coat them one by one, and I shall start frying them. On the other side, I have also prepared the dough for the naan bread or the flatbread. Inshallah, in the other video and any other video, I shall try to show you how I made this. So now the cutlets are frying. Let me prepare the flatbread. I have rolled the dough into a flatbread, and now I'm going to just score it with some fork. Likewise, you can some people have some designing patterns or structures. I do not have any of them, so I'm just using this simple method, and I shall keep it now in the oven to just cook on medium heat. So you can see cutlets are ready, and they're golden brown and looking crispy, and this is now well done. I shall remove them. So I have taken out the cutlets, and you can see there is no oil. You can use a kitchen towel as well to discard any excessive oil. These are looking very nice and yummy. So this is the naan bread that is now ready. I do not have any sauce or dip or maybe chutney. I am just using the simple ketchup. This is my old college days, you can say meal or brunch or something. So I really wanted to recreate it. So I hope you will try this recipe, and you will enjoy the outcome. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.